welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to have a live chat overlay on your live stream. Enjoy! The first thing that you're going to want to do when setting up your live chat overlay is open any art application that you have. Now, I am using Paint.net, but you could use art applications such as Pixlr or Medibang or Ibis Paint X or even Procreate. Using Paint.net, I'm going to make a box that outlines my live chat. Now, you do not have to do this, but personally, I think that having your live chat outlined looks 10 times better. To create this outline, add a new layer, pick your color, and go to the Shapes tool. Now change the brush width to be 20 or 25. And now simply drag your cursor to create any shape that you like. Now click this little check mark for the background so that it's unavailable to see, and your box outline rectangle thing is done. To save it, go to File, then Save As, name your file, I'm going to name it Box, and make sure that the mode is on PNG. And now press Save. If you're prompted for something like this, press OK, then flatten. And now you can close Paint.net. You're all done with the first step. The box you just created into OBS Studio, press the plus button right over here, and press Image. Now you can name this image whatever you would like. I am going to name it Live Chat Outline. Now browse your files for the live chat outline you previously made and downloaded. Once you've opened the file, press OK. Now what you're going to want to do is trim the image so that there aren't any excess clear parts. Basically, this makes the box easier to manage and transform. To do so, while pressing Alt on your keyboard, move your cursor. Once you're done trimming the image, again, use your cursor to move it down to any part of your screen. Usually I would move it down to the bottom of my screen. Now you can use these square things to size up or size down your shape. Personally, I think that this box shape is a little too wide. So to change this, while pressing Shift, I'm going to move my cursor. Using the tricks I just stated, basically just transform your box to suit your liking. This suits my liking, so I'm going to move on with the next step. The next step is basically to get your actual live chat into OBS Studio. To do so, open any web browser that you have, I'm using Google, and open YouTube. Now press this camera icon over here, and press Go Live. Once your live streaming page has opened, go to your live chat section, and press these three dots. Now press Pop Out Chat, and change Top Chat to Live Chat. Now select the link above your live chat and copy it. Now go back to OBS Studio and press the plus icon. Now press Browser, and you can name this whatever you would like. I'm going to name it Live Chat. Now select the default OBS URL and either press backspace or delete to get rid of it. Now, using Ctrl-V, paste the link you previously copied. Once you're done, press OK. And there you have it. Your live chat is in OBS Studio. Now, using these miniature squares, resize your live chat to fit in your box. As you can see, my live chat does not fit in my box by default. To fix this, double-click on your live chat source and basically play around with the proportions. Now that my live chat is all fit in my box and secure, I'm going to move on to the next step. The last and final step is to customize how your live chat looks. Now I am using Chat V2 Style Generator for this, a link that I will put in the description. There's not much to say, but my only tip for this is to play around with basically everything. If you're stuck, I recommend the font Spicy Rice and Railway. This is my live chat, I just made it, and it is different from the live chat I have in my live stream, but I did that so you could separate example from real. Once you're done creating your live chat, go to the CSS, select all of the text, and copy it. Now double click on your live chat and go to the custom CSS. Select the default OBS CSS and delete it. Now using Ctrl V, paste the CSS you just made and copied. Once you're done, press OK. Now your live chat box will most likely be clear. To fix this, go back to your live streaming browser and simply type something in the chat box. Usually I type something like hi or welcome. Now it'll take OBS Studio a few seconds to process the chat, but once it has loaded, it should look something like this. That's going to be the end of my video. As you can see, your live chat is now all set up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye guys!